Oof. Oof. Yeah, that's no bueno. So yeah, I made another oopsie. I was in class the other day and I was trying to adjust my shock in the rear, and when I went to go put the bolt back in, like tons of other people, I fucked it up and stripped out the entire hole inside the trailing arm. So instead of getting a new trailing arm, I decided we're just gonna try and helicoil this thing. No! If you guys have never heard of a helicoil, the basic idea of it is you just drill out your hole and then this replaces the old threads with these threads that you thread in with this fancy little tool here. There are already a tons of videos on YouTube about how to do a helicoil, how to put them in, so I'm not gonna go in depth with that, but I'm hoping we'll be able to get this done tonight. It'll go pretty smooth, and then maybe, I was thinking about going out because it's finally raining again in Washington, so I don't know, maybe we might go hit some roundabouts. This is literally the worst way to go about this. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. This is terrible. Alright, we got the new threads in, so now we just gotta thread in the helicoil. So my old bolt was destroyed, but Kellen was nice enough to let me take one of his off his car since it's gonna be down for a little bit. Let's hope this threads in nice. Oh yeah. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this thing will torque. Hey, good looks. Let's go. Just like that. Don't have to replace my rear trailing arm anymore. Feels so good. All right, well, I think it's time to go take this thing out and see how she does. Originally, I was gonna just wear my helmet while I was driving with like the mount on the front like I had at the track, but I decided I'm just gonna do a little windshield mount. I don't know how the footage is gonna look, but I don't know, hopefully it turns out well. I'm not quite sure how the audio is gonna sound right now, but I'm hoping it'll be good enough at least. I bet, let's give her the beans. All right, we're back in business. Oh, fuck yeah, I bet. Some of these people on YouTube just do fucking round and round on the roundabouts. I just get too nervous about other cars for that shit. Like, goddamn. out for so long while this was down. Like, this shit, like, I know it's not like super quick, but it just feels so much quicker because the gears are so much shorter. Like, I love this car so much. Let's see how this little four banger sounds. You know, surprisingly not bad. I've been wanting to hit this one for a long time. Let's see if I got the balls. Okay. Okay, okay. If I fully commit to it, then maybe I can do it. I just told Kaylee I got pulled over while I was drifting. Let's see how she responds. Oh, she's a jet. Nah, I can't go on with this dulog. Love it. I honestly don't know how good that footage turned out. I really need to look into getting like a proper head mount because I was just gonna wear my helmet out there, but I didn't want to look like a goof in traffic. So that was the best I could do for that. I know I didn't hit any like crazy lines or anything. Like, I'm not out here like some of these other people on YouTube doing all these crazy lines going onto freeways and stuff like that. But soon enough, I'm sure we'll be getting there. I honestly just don't like street drifting that much unless like I'm in a really like out of the way area and I know like there's no cars around me, no cars out or anything. But yeah, that was just too much fun. I'm glad the car held together though. I'm actually kind of surprised that the JB weld on the radiator was able to hold up. The new radiators should be getting in soon though. I'm not going to be able to make it to the next event just because I don't really trust this JB weld on the radiator to hold up for an entire event. So I'll be making it to the event on the 27th up at Spirit Peaks. So you guys can expect that video around then. But I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.